Well, hey everybody, I'm the Crockett Cooner, and this is the Crockett Coonhound Show. And today, guys, I'm talking firewood. And I know for folks that burn wood, you can definitely look. I'd almost, guys, start calling this compost, but I'm going to get into it a little bit. I want to make you guys a little bit of a video, some tips and tricks on how you can tell if firewood is in fact seasoned and dried and able to burn. Now, what I'm going to say about this, guys, is most of this has been split. Um, you guys have seen it many times for folks that follow us. Basically, this is all hickory, and I use it just to cook with, guys, not really to heat my home or anything. And a lot of it was slab, but some of it has, in fact, been split. The biggest pile of it's burned up. But a lot of folks don't know, how can you tell when wood is dry? Now, many times if you look at the end of it, guys, I'll show you kind of right here, you can tell this wood is starting to split. When you put it up, the log will be solid, or if you've already split the wood, it'll be solid. Over time, you can look, you can see cracks in it. Also, by the weight of it, many times, drier wood will get a little bit lighter than wood that's still filled with water. But a few other little tips and tricks folks don't know. I don't really have a great piece to show you guys, but I'm going to get right here and kind of show you with these two pieces. If you'll take wood, once it's dry, tap it together, it makes kind of a hollow sound. You will, in fact, be able to tell if a piece of wood is dried out. There's a few little things also by looking at the end of it. If you have larger pieces of, for instance, stove wood that you heat your home with, you'll notice that the ends of them will become lighter in color and things. And that way you know that it is seasoning, it is drying out, it'll burn. Now, this right here, guys, like I said, I mainly just use it for cooking because it's hickory. But if I was going to say, for instance, burn this in a wood stove in my home, I'm not saying it won't burn because it's good and dry. The air's been passing through it. The sunlight's hit it here in good old southern Middle Tennessee where it's like standing on the sun in the summertime. But it has dried to the point that I'm going to say it doesn't have as much energy as it did. So that's why it's important, if you do in fact have wood, you have some left over from the previous season, definitely make sure to burn that first and then start into your newer wood that you have cut. So I wanted to take a second, make a small little video there, little tips and tricks for folks that are new to, for instance, outside wood stoves, or they've decided, you know what, I'm going to start using a fireplace again, or I'm going to cook on the fire pit with some wood, or in fact, maybe even put in like an early morning stove or something, or a boiler in their home. Just a few little tips and tricks, and it'll, make it a little more energy efficient, keep you a little bit warmer. But anyways, guys, I say it all the time. Definitely stay safe on the water, stay safe in the woods, and stay tuned here at the Crockett Coonhound Show. And myself and Scooter will have you guys another video dropping shortly. You guys have a great day.